Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ClickFunnels affiliate tracking from funnels step by step clearly. Open your ClickFunnels dashboard. Navigate to the funnel you want to modify. Click on the funnel's name to access its settings. Once in the funnel, click on the Settings tab in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Tracking Code section. Look for any affiliate tracking code related to ClickFunnels. Select the code by clicking inside the text box. Delete the entire affiliate tracking code. After removing the code, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to confirm your changes. Next, navigate to any individual pages within the funnel. Click on each page name to open page settings. Repeat the process for each page, checking the tracking code section. Ensure that there is no residual ClickFunnels affiliate tracking code left. Once completed, review your funnel to confirm that the changes are applied. Test your funnel to ensure it is functioning correctly without the tracking code. Finally, log out of your ClickFunnels account once you're finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.